Now, if you are a developer and you are a designer like me, so I have a lot of developing experience. So there are problems when you have a design system or design that is not available in React or any other programming language. So if you are building something very quickly, you need to have both components. So if the components are already been coded and you already have all the design and components in your developer's hand, your speed is going to be blazing fast. So today we have another guest on our spot of design systems, which is Keep Design, keepdesign.io, Keep Design System. And I really love how they have the React version. So if you click on the React, you can see all these components have already been developed into React customizable components. And you can see over here are different examples: navbar, notifications, number input, view all components if you want to see all the components, avatar, let's see, badges. So we have few badges. So you can also buy it and get full version, and it is, I think, $99. Let me see if I go to the pricing. Where is the pricing? Yes, $99, and team version is $249. I'm going to ask the author to give 30% discount to my viewers on Learn UX ID. So try to use Learn UX ID coupon code to get 30% discount. I'm going to ask this after this video. So I hope that I will get the discount code for my viewers. So the main thing is that um, it has all the stuff already made. So we have different barcodes, bars over here. So you can see all these are working really nicely done stuff. So here we have different breadcrumbs. Great. Everything is there. So if you are building a SaaS product, or you are a founder and you want something to go quickly and build something quickly, then you can you have an option to look at this Keep Design System. There are very bigger design system like Atomic design system, or Atom. I think it was Atom. It is very big for my taste. I think it is for people who are building like 10 or 20 different products, or maybe more than that. But if you are building one or two or three startups or products or AI startups or anything, then I think Keep is a very good uh, competitor over here. So let's see what we have inside the Keep. I have the older version. I think they have improved it. It was 1.0 version. So they might have a lot of things added to it. The file size is 500 KB. So it is a very big design system. These are colors. These are the baselines, logo, buttons, shadows. And let's see, here we have all the input styles, button groups, checkboxes, tooltips, pagination. Okay, so we have everything, every component over here, and you can use them to build. Let's see some of the charts. Okay, so we have some of the charts over here. Then we have upload windows over here. So let's zoom into them. So let's zoom over here and let me show you the detail. So here we have the components, different components. These are drag and drop boxes, uploading file, different statuses like normal, dragging onto it, then releasing the file, uploading, uploaded, error, disabled. So all these different options over here. So let's see if we have date picker over here. We have search bar, pop over boxes, tree. Tree is, I think it would be, let's see what we have in tree. Okay, so we have something like this. Then we have disclosure, then we have rating stars. Oh, so they have already built it in React. So if you want to implement it, or your designers just drag and drop the different stuff and create something, and um, and your developer can use these components, already built components. They can also drag and drop, just copy the code and create whole design. So you can see over here we have some web blocks. So I really love their web blocks. Let's see. blog section. Zoom into the blog section. Oops, what happened? Okay, so here we have it. So this is very nicely done, very minimal style. So you can see over here we have one blog, two of second, third variant, very nice, with the right sidebar, and the mobile view. We have everything over here. So you can see over here we have different avatars or team section, where we have the team, very nicely done, minimal style, simply awesome, I would say. Very simple. Why I am calling it awesome? Because it already have the React components built for this one. It takes some time and effort, and I really appreciate that these guys are building something like these FAQ sections. So all these sections you can quickly build a landing page for your product. You can build the dashboard for your product. You can do everything over here. So if we go to templates, so here we have different templates of different website designs. You can see over here, and here we have more. A lot of guys, they are selling these kind of templates for $49 and $50. Okay, so they are already made for you. So this is my analysis of this Keep design system. I think I have just downloaded their 1.5 version, which is going to have more details and more components. So it would take some time to load it over here, because it weighs around 550 megabytes. So I think Figma is going to take some time, and I'm getting late to pick my kids from the school. So this is going to be the end of the video, and I hope that you are going to enjoy the discount on Keep design system. I'm going to ask right now. You can see it says version 1.5. What I showed you is version 1. So saving your hours and a lot of time using Keep design system to build a product, SaaS product, or any other online web product for your customers. I hope you have enjoyed this video and this new gem of Keep design system. We'll meet you in another video and with new things I have found online. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and keep showing me and your designs, your UI designs, or keep asking me in the comments what you want in the next video. Take care. See you soon.